ready for camping?
Yeah, I am ready for camping, Chi.
Got our stuff ready. Riding. This bag's really heavy.
Matthew thinks he's got the tent, but he's actually got all my stuff. That's why I've got a tiny bag.
Yeah, Joe's just stuffed all the stuff in the tent bag. And Matthew thinks he's carrying just that, but he's not. Marco's here.
We don't want it. Only Marco.
So it's on it.
Only Henry.
I've only got my
Matthew
card,
wants
so...
What?
This house.
Say hi.
Right, Chi. Happy birthday, Andrew.
Riding right now. It's at Clay Lake where we're camping, by the way. Gonna be good. Go like my last vlog if you haven't already. Yeah.
Chi vlogs. Right.
Oscar.
He's doing something with his phone. He's calling us from back.
Come out the water now. Pretty good swimming in there. And collecting some sticks for the fire. Henry and Matthew have gone to the shop to get some bread and stuff for the barbecue. Gonna be good. What's this?
Recording. Right, guys. Jumping in. It's the jump, the lake.
Would you class me as off cam now?
Move.
Put the camera as far as possible.
Joe, watch me jumping now. When they go under, Joe, put the camera.
Get a bit closer so we can see you.
What?
I got a bit closer. There you go. Jump right next so I can see you. Go. There's no point putting it under, this water's too dark. Alright, gay boy's coming. The gayest one of the lot.
Ready?
3, 2,
1, go. On, it's flashing.
Yeah, is it
freezing?
Marco, leave it, just leave it.
Stop, don't.
No, let's delete that clip.
But it's shallow here anyway.
How do we delete this?
Jokes. Nice mouth, nice nose.
When the next person jumps in, I'll go under, grab the leg. I'll go underwater.
Yeah. Why?
Hi guys. Chi
Wait,
vlogs
that
here.
just dropped down that, you know.
We're all in the lake.
Yes!
Go on.
That's like a line. Are you ready to?
Yeah.
I can't get out. Marco, I'm drowning. I'm sinking into the Clyde. There's a fish on me. There's a fish on me.
Marco's here. Don't know what he's doing.
MTV Cribs here. New den, new tent, homemade out of survivalist items.
Don't know
Ignore
why he's-
Eugene, this is part 4.
Don't know why he's done that when there's a tent right over there.
Yeah, but Eugene's are rubbish. Eugene's running around buildings and things like a retard. This is the house. Good night.
That's it.
What you want is a nice tent, mate.
Got the barbecue going. This is where the fire's gonna be. Sausages, tent.
I made that tent. Mate.
Marco's there trying to get a brick out the floor.
Right. I'm chef here around these ends. Are you fucking chef? Well, I am.
Come out the water now. Pretty good swimming in there. And collecting some sticks for the fire. Henry and Matthew have gone to the shop to get some bread and stuff for the barbecue. Gonna be good. Right now the barbecue's going well. We've already had resets.
We're being intruded.
Yep.
Boys.
There's some people on the other side throwing rocks. I think they've gone now.
Big boy Joe and Matthew Drinning's gone to get him now, so we're all safe.
Yep.
Oh, you started it. Big boy Marco, Henry and Tree. Nice.
Oi, I jumped right far.
You actually did.
I can't feel bottom here. See you later. Did I just hear him correctly? Boys! Boys!
Swamp monster.
Swimming in the moonlight.
Got fire going.
You're right.
We're just riding. Pitch black. Marco just fell off on these little drops. Little bumps.
Why didn't you get that?
Alright, come on, quick.
We're just cruising right now. Oh, Joe's just gone round back at 10 and he's stood in Marco's poo.
Move, I'm gonna wash it off on this. I'm gonna scrape it on this.
You're right.
We're just riding. Pitch black. Marco just fell off on these little drops. Little bumps.
Why didn't you get that?
Alright, come on, quick.
We're just cruising right now. Oh, Joe's just gone round back at 10 and he's stood in Marco's poo.
Move, I'm gonna wash it off on this. I'm gonna scrape it on this.
They got life that could have been us. Most kids out here, but their dreams crushed.
What are you doing, Chi?
Thinking they need money, they just need love.
Fire starting.
I was 9 playing
Fire
football
keeping.
out drops. I turned 14 is when the weed come.
Is it gonna get bigger than this?
Yep. We've literally just came out the lake. It's 2 o'clock in the morning. We've just come out and we're getting warm by the fire. The vlog's, my phone's on 4%, so I'm going to carry on the rest of the vlog on my GoPro. Got it going. Morning. Joe's just jumped in the lake. Yeah, swamp monster. Out of the pool, we jumped in with Joe, get him dry. Joe, do you want to jump in one last time for the vlog? No. Oh. Marco hasn't been in because he's
Yes, I am.
scared little boy. Vlog now, like and subscribe, stay G'd up.